Hello and welcome back to Home Design Inspiration and Ideas, your ultimate source for all things beautiful in home decor and design. Embrace the simplicity and beauty of a Scandinavian Christmas this holiday season. Known for its minimalism, natural textures, and cozy warmth, Nordic Decor creates a magical winter atmosphere. This year, let the charm of soft whites, warm wood tones, and subtle metallics transform your space into a serene, festive retreat. The magic lies in its simplicity, with clean lines, handmade ornaments, and lush greenery taking center stage. Add cozy textiles like sheepskin rugs and chunky knit throws to infuse warmth, making your home the perfect place to escape the cold. Whether it's through candlelit arrangements, pared-back trees, or thoughtful details, Scandinavian design embodies peace and elegance. Stay tuned for inspiration and tips to bring a touch of Nordic charm to your home. Don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal decorating ideas and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy decorating!